Stand tall. The power of posture and communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a key aspect of nonverbal communication skills: posture. Your posture, the way you stand, and how you carry yourself have a significant impact on how your message is received. So let's dive in and see how we can harness the power of posture in our communications. When we talk about posture, we're referring to the way you position your body when you're standing or sitting. It's not just about standing tall or slouching, it's about how your entire body communicates. Good posture conveys confidence, engagement, and credibility, whereas poor posture might give off signals of nervousness, uncertainty, or disinterest. Good posture is made up of several components. You'll want to stand tall, with your shoulders back and your chest open, which not only communicates confidence but also allows you to breathe properly, enhancing your speech quality. Your head should be held high, signaling alertness and interest, while your feet should be firmly planted on the ground, providing stability. Lastly, make sure to maintain open body language. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, as this can come off as defensive or closed off. Now let's dig into how posture affects your message. Posture can influence the perception of your message in several ways. A relaxed and open posture can make you seem more approachable, increasing the likability and receptiveness to your message. A straight posture, with shoulders back, can exude confidence, reinforcing the strength of your message. Conversely, slouched or closed-off postures might imply nervousness or uncertainty, which could undermine the effectiveness of your communication. It's not enough to simply know that posture is important. We also need to apply this knowledge. Here are a few tips for maintaining effective posture. Practice makes perfect. Regularly practicing good posture can help it become a habit. Check in with yourself. Be aware of your body and make adjustments as needed throughout your speech or presentation. Use a mirror or record yourself. This can provide valuable feedback, letting you see how your posture looks to others. Posture plays a key role in our communication, and effectively managing it can greatly enhance our nonverbal communication skills. So stand tall, be mindful, and let your body speak volumes. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the role of posture and communication. As always, practice is the key to improvement, so keep practicing your posture and nonverbal communication skills. We'll see you in our next video.